Guys, Breeze here. I'm gonna try to move the fish tank over there, all the cords on this side, so they will not be visible. So, yep. So this is just gonna be 4. Yep, with 4. This is after. As you can see, I didn't put my fish tank there, so I put that water thing. Have the light. Oh, my fish tank's not there. It's down here now, so I can do this. Open up the window, curtain, so some light can get in, and you can get some light, sunlight. So yeah, I put it down here, filled up with water. It's a way really high now. So yeah, so I just put it down here. So I think it's a lot better down here. It looks a lot better on here. Ended up there because down here I can just look at it if I want to for a while. So comment, rate, subscribe.